Blindness. What colors do you see? Imagine looking at a box of crayons and seeing only shades of gray, blue, and yellow. That's what they look to many people who have color blindness or CVD, color vision deficiency. Most people with CVD can still see the same colors. They just see the world a little differently than other people. Where do light come from? White light has every color of rainbow hidden inside it. Each color is a different wavelength. Things appear to be different colors because they absorb and reflect different wavelengths of light. A strawberry looks red because it reflects light wavelengths while absorbing others. How an eye sees. The chroma gathers and begins to focus light from the outside world. The iris opens or closes the pupil to allow more or less light into the eye. The pupil is a hole in the center of the eye that allows light to pass through. Red rods and cones line the wall of the retina at the back of the eye register what is being seen. The optic nerve sends messages to the brain what the eye is seeing. Lengths of shape to finish focusing. How color vision works. People see colors because our eyes respond differently to different wavelengths of light. When light enters one of your eyes, it gets focused on the retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eyeball. The light triggers rod cells and cone cells. These cells send signals to the brain, which uses signals to make images. Rods and cones. Rod cells are most sensitive cells in your retina. They let you see very low light. However, they can tell different colors apart. Cone cells handle color vision. There are three different of cone cells. One type absorbs blue light, one green light, and one red light. Combining these three main colors allows us to see thousands of colors. When one or more type of cone cell is working low, CVD results. Human vision, honeybee vision. Color vision in animals. Most animals can see fewer colors than humans. For instance, the dogs can only see shades of blue and yellow. The birds cannot see red. Other animals, including some birds, bees, and butterflies, see more colors than humans do, including wavelengths of light that are invisible to humans. Different types of CDV. People with red-green CVD have trouble telling red and green apart. This is the most common type of color vision problem. It affects about 1 out of every 12 men and 1 out of every 200 women. People with red-green CVD usually have something wrong with their green cone cells. As a result, green and yellow objects appear reddish color. Sometimes red-green CDV is caused by a missing or damaged yellow red cone cell. In this case, red, orange, and yellow objects appear green or black. For color decision, red, green CVD decision, red, yellow, green. Blue, yellow CVD. Blue, yellow CVD happens when blue cone cells are missing or not working properly. These cells are missing or not working properly. This type of CVD is very rare. It's only found in about every 10,000 people worldwide. Unlike red-green CVD, it's equally common in men and women. Complete CVD. Complete CVD is the most serious type of CVD. It happens when a person has problems with 2 or 3 types of cone cells. People who are missing several types of cone cells tend to be very sensitive lights. They may also have difficulty to see clearly, especially bright light. This is because they readily rod cells for most or all their vision's rod cells only work in low light. About 1 in 30,000 people worldwide are missing all 3 types of cone cells. People without any working cone cells only see shades of black, white, and gray. The CDV changes of CVD. People with CVD may face some challenges. For example, they may have trouble reading maps. Children with CVD may have challenges with some classwork. CVD can also cause safety issues. Fire engines and emergency equipment that are often colored red or yellow. To make them more visible, someone with CVD may not notice bright colors that stand out to those with poor color vision. CVD may affect a person's choice or career. Some jobs as air pilot require full color vision. Others, such as photographer, can be more challenging for people with CVD. Still, people with CVD can usually succeed almost any job. Test of CVD. Doctors use several types of tests to find out if a person has CVD. One test uses reagents made up of dots that are different sizes and colors. People with color vision can see numbers or shades inside the pictures. People with red-green CVD may have trouble spotting hidden symbols. Tools to help people with CVD. So far, doctors can't cure CVD. However, many new tools can help people deal with CVD. Smartphone apps can do tests such as identifying colors and picking colors that go together well. These apps can help people choosing matching clothes or tell which fruits are ripe at grocery stores. Researchers have also created high-tech sunglasses that filter out specific wavelengths of light. The sunglasses make it possible for people with red-green CVD to tell the 2 colors apart. Treating CVD. Scientists recently walked around red-green CVD in squirrel monkeys. The monkeys lacked red cone cells. As a result, they couldn't tell the different colors as red and green. Researchers were able to insert the missing cone cells in the monkey eyes. Within about 20 weeks, the monkeys could tell the difference between red and green dots. People who want colorful color vision may soon be able to get it too. Living CVD. CVD is fairly common and usually not a serious problem. Detecting CVD early can help people understand and adjust what they are seeing. Most people with CVD get along just fine. They may see the world a little bit differently, but that doesn't stop them from having rich, fulfilling lives.